Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. Today we are going to analyze Nifty on multiple time frames. Basis the analysis what we did in the last weeks, we have drawn some trend lines. We want to see how those trend lines have performed. Are those trend lines really worth spending time, or are they just for the sake of putting trend lines we are putting it? Or is there any way you can actually trade those trend lines? We will see in this video, and we will also try to scan for stocks which are giving an entry, and we will also analyze the mood of the market. Is it going down or is it going up? We will come to know today. So let's go to quickly our Nifty chart. Okay, so if you remember in my previous videos, just 2 weeks back, I think in this video, chart patterns for trading, you can actually view this video and you will be able to see what kind of trend lines we have drawn. So you can see this is the trend line which we have drawn for 15 minutes. Okay, let's for a moment ignore the super trend and just look at the trend lines. So you can actually make out that this was our top trend line, this was our the bottom trend line. So it was moving in this range, and when it came to the trend line for the first time, there was a huge rejection. Okay, so if there is any mistake with your trend line, you would actually feel that it's a breakout, because if you're going for this trend line, it's a breakout on this trend line, and you will wait. You'll not take an entry directly here, you will wait for a retracement, and on the retracement it has pulled back too much deep, so people thought, no, this is a fake breakout, and it has come down from there. But now you see, after 2 days of this breakout, price has actually opened above this trend line, and you can see the kind of move we have got. RSI was like directly shooting above 70 when it started to move up. On Friday there was massive buying coming in, and you can see there was like hardly one red candle in the first 15 minutes, and after that there was no red candle at all till about 11:30. On 11:30 there is a slight retracement, and from there it started moving up. Now how do we capture these kind of moves? Is just simply following this trend lines. This trend line, if you have noticed, anything opens above this, the next red candle you should have actually bought, and the stop loss would have been below this, and you could have gained this entire thing. So we have traded multiple strategies on this day, and it's a daily profit for us. We try to adjust our positions according to the market. So if we apply our simple 20 and 200 period moving averages, this yellow line is our 20, 200 and 5 period moving average. So this is, purple line is the 200, 20 is the red one, yellow is the 5 period moving average. So here you can see the trend is strong, so it is not even coming till the 20 period moving average, and where it has halted now is about 20 period moving average. But yes, of course it went with volume, with a lot of power above the 200 period moving average. Okay, this is on a 15-minute time frame. Let's check this on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, we had major support of 200 period moving average at this level, which is 17,400 to 300 range. Price came to this level, bounced once, and then next day with a lot of force it went down. Next day opened up green, next day red. So it was consolidating. If you see, like 4 candles at the same place, top and bottom. So this was a place where it was kind of consolidating in this range. Then it gave a, as I said in my previous videos also, like anything which is closing above a red candle near 200 period. Okay, listen to this very carefully. Anything which is closing above the candle, red candle. Okay, yeah, so anything which is closing above this red candle powerful green candle, and that too at a specific location, which is your 200 period moving average location, which is a fantastic zone for you to actually buy. So this, investors, big money, smart money, whatever you call, they know this is the place where you have to buy. So if you see, they have done the same thing at the 200 period moving average. They were like accumulating here, and that accumulation can be seen immediately on this. Now it has actually surpassed this level as well. This was one more level on a daily chart. Okay, this particular was a 50 period candle, and there was a level above this. So even this level was breached, and it is near to the 20 period moving average. Now what will happen if any other positive news comes during the weekend? We can expect a rally from here till the next level. If not, market will consolidate here for a couple of days, and it'll wait for some good news, and then it'll start breaking out. Once it's at this zone, definitely you can say that our previous 18,200 will be breached, and it can start going towards the 19,000 mark. So this is a very good sign of reversal. If you are planning to invest in any of the stocks, please pick up stocks which are near to the 200 period moving average and which are giving an entry. So this is how you can look at this. And a good way of trading intraday is using your super trend strategy. You can use it as a trailing stop loss, and super trend is one indicator which will move along the price. It is not like it has formed after the price. Even before the price is actually formed here, this super trend will keep moving along with this. So you can happily put it as a trailing stop loss. If your price is here, your trailing stop loss will be here. It will be visible for you. The next candle forms, this will be here. Next candle forms, it will be here. So this will also keep moving along with the price. So whenever there is an exit, whenever the price closes below, so pay attention to this, the candle has to close below the super trend. What a lot of times what happens is, it will come, pierce the super trend, but the closure happens above. So you can maybe watch this a little bit in the past. Let's see if we have any other examples like this. See this, it'll come, it'll pierce the super trend. You will feel that okay, super trend is getting broken, but later it closed above. So wait for the candle close and only then exit. So you got a long entry, then you got a short entry, but short entry didn't give you money, it was the same price. Then again a long entry, then again a short entry. Even this would have given you a decent returns. So even with a simple super trend strategy, following the risk management and the rules, you can definitely make money. That you have to understand. And super trend strategy, one of the secret is that 15-minute time frame is very important. 15-minute time frame, you should always consider the 15-minute time frame super trend. If it is bullish in 15 minutes, then you take only bullish entries. If it is bearish in 15 minutes, then you take only bearish entries in 3-minute time frame. So first thing in the morning, first 15 minutes, you have to see whether super trend is bullish or bearish. Basis that, whenever you get an entry near the super trend, or if it gives a breakout, then you should go long. Simple rules. You want me to write it down, or maybe you can watch the video again and understand what I said. Whenever there is a 15-minute super trend has to be followed, an entry has to be taken on a 3-minute time frame. So let's check on bank nifty. Let's see what is the trend there. This is bank, this is watch list BC. So this becomes a little easy for us to, yes, this is Bank of Baroda, and this is Nifty Bank on a daily time frame. See the kind of bounce we have received near the 200 period moving, and in super trend also it is giving an entry right now. RSI is above 60. So nicely, even bank nifty is in a bullish trend. So let's see what happens. We don't want any candle piercing down this 200 period moving average going forward. Now coming to check if there are any entries on our weekly super trend strategy on Nifty 50 or Nifty 200. Let's search on Nifty 200. There is only one, ABB India Limited. So let's check ABB India. Is it worth, or is it giving us an entry on a weekly time frame? So ABB India on a weekly time frame, yes, it is giving a super trend entry, and the stock has been in a great rally. If you see the super trend entry, 940 is the entry, and the super trend exit was at 2042. Then again an entry at 2355, exit could have been at 2915. Then again a short entry, now again a long entry is given 3328. So ABB India is a very good bet for you because it is satisfying all the conditions of our bullish trade, because 20 200 and it is close to 20, and it is also giving a super trend entry. You can definitely buy and trail your stop loss with the super trend. So ABB India is the investment idea for this week, which you can take it forward. So you have to invest the money. For example, if you have 5,000 as your risk, I'm telling this almost in every video. If your risk is 5,000, then the quantity has to be according to that. So how do we do that? We will see. Your entry is about 3330, your stop loss is about 2784. So what do we do? 3330 minus 2784, 546 points. So this is a 2784. Yeah, 2784. So 546 points. Our risk is 5,000 by 546 points. That is 9 quantity you can trade if your risk is 5,000. If you want to have a little better stop loss, I think it's pretty close. We are uh, not going to get anything better. The price, if anything comes below, then you can add a little more so that your stop loss also starts trailing. You have seen this stop loss, see how it is moving along with the price. First candle, then second candle, and as the price moves up, super trend also moves up. So be watchful. You can only buy 9 quantities of this if your risk is 5,000 per trade. If your risk is 10,000 per trade, you can double that quantity, which is 80. So this is a simple way of investing, and whenever this super trend breaks, you get out of the trade. So imagine if somebody would have taken that trade here and trailed the stop loss, they could have been a great runner for them. So what is happening on Adani Enterprises? If you see the weekly chart of Adani, you can see the power of 200 period moving average. See the 200 period moving average on weekly basis, and it bounced from that level. And this is actually giving us a bullish entry because it has cleared the red bar. It has cleared 2 red bars, which are very strong bars. Now anything above this is a good buy, and it has to satisfy our super trend condition. If there is no rejection, or if it clears the super trend, then Adani will go back to its levels. Okay, so that's it for this week, guys, and I hope this kind of weekly tips on how to analyze the charts is helping you, and this will give you a little more confidence about how you can trade. But your actual learning starts from the time you click the buy button and then you click the sell button. Whatever you learn before those two things, will not matter. The way you will behave when you buy and sell, the period in between, your mindset and your fear and greed is what will define you and make you a successful investor or a trader. Okay, So the moment you buy, the moment you sell, the kind of uh, mindset you're having, or are you getting into panic mode, are you getting into not putting the stop loss mode, or you're too confident, or you're overconfident, are you like think or keeping your stop loss too short, lot of things will come into the play, and that will kill your profits. And but only one thing is that if you maintain your risk at one level, which is flat 5,000, I'm going to lose maximum, after that I'm not going to over trade, then nothing can stop you from becoming successful trader. Trust me, nothing can stop you, because today or tomorrow, maybe after a month or 2 months, you will definitely gain that confidence to scale up your profits. And this way, once you stop going down, and then you will start moving up. Understand this, and it is very crucial. So thank you for watching these videos, and I hope you have learned something new. Let's connect next week.